friends are telling me it doesn't. Ooh, whoa. Let's see for my. No, Twitter. Twitter's bad for you. Bad for your brains. Channel. Is it working? Watch now. No, it's not working. Why is it not? Why? I gotta debug this somehow. What am I gonna do? Why are you not working? Come on, mate. Ah. So it doesn't work? Why does it not work? Stream. Oh, Twitch. Stream not loading. Twitch stream not. What? Nothing's private. There was a network error. No such thing. Should never happen. Oh, my MacBook's go. Ooh. Nope, didn't work. Bad luck. Do I really get bad? What if I show my primary stream key? Enable clips, followers, permissions. I don't want anyone to stream to my channel. Username. Who am I? That's terrible. Stream schedule. Streamer self. Streamer self displays all your channels we recommend. Auto hosting. Hosting. No rates. No moderations. Open to everyone. Free society. Let's say fair. Let's say you got the idea. Dude, you gotta work. And the past stream is not gonna load either? Like the recording? Oh, come on. Okay, so streaming doesn't work very well, but I'll figure it out later. I gotta finish the problem first. Yep, we're still streaming, right? We're using maps with libbpf. The libbpf map library can reuse and replace a map with an existing map file descriptor. Reuse and replace a map with an existing map file descriptor by the libbpf API call, but you cannot use ppf prog load for this. Instead, you have to code it yourself, as you need a step in BPF object open and BPF object load. Basic steps needed, looks like. Yo, Twitch is down. I do have a problem with Twitch. I can't stream video. Well, that means I can finish doing the work without anyone's, streamers. What's the single most memorable? I don't care about the memorable. Fix the stuff. I want to be able to stream. 20 hours ago, you gotta acknowledge your problems. It's middle of the day in San Francisco. Where's your office? Where's the office of Twitch TV? Twitch TV. Let's see. Where's your office? Come on. Company. I want to know about your company. Community guidelines. About developers. Careers. Jobs. Where is your office? Open jobs. London. Germany. Spain. New York City. Middle of the day. San Francisco, California. No one lives in San Francisco anymore. New York City. Come on, it's middle of the day. It's not a work day, but alright, it's getting cold. Boys, you gotta fix your stuff. Oh. Twitch is down. Twitch status. No, it's not online. It's kind of weird. What are you saying? Twitch is down. Or is it not? Status Twitch TV. No. Well, yeah, it really doesn't work. 85,000 people watching live. People talking about computer science. Computer science. Right. But you cannot use BPF progload for lessons. Instead, you have to code it yourself. As you need a step in between BPF object open and I don't understand the sentence can reuse and replace a map with an existing map file descriptor. Alright, I think I understand it. Pin map file descriptor. Get the thing. You get the map and you reuse it in place of and then you alright, okay, that makes total sense. Same. No. It makes sense. So we first get the pin map file descriptor, then we load the new program, we get the new map, then we and say we're gonna reuse the old file descriptor with a new map. Okay? And only then we load, of course. BPF object load. Oh. Yeah, this stuff and attach. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Oh, I forgot to close the window. Okay. Oh, we got to the assignments. After all this time, an hour of just reading code, we're actually gonna do something. As mentioned above, the XDP stats tool will not detect if XDP loader loads new maps and new BPF programs. It'll need to be restarted. That's annoying. I fully agree with this premise. I agree with it. The assignment is to reload the map file descriptor dynamically, such that the XDP stats program doesn't need to be restarted. Reload the map file descriptor dynamically. Do they mean that we need to update it within the XDP stats, or do we need to do this trick? Let's do okay. There are several solutions to this. Naive solutions to reopen the pin map file each time, but how do you detect that the file changed? If you don't detect when dealing with a new map, then the stats diff. How do you detect it? Reopen the pinned map file. Who uses Twitch? No, I don't care right now. where you remember use the ID number to detect changes, either the map ID or the XDP BPF program ID. Easy. All right, XDP loader. The code changes are going to be in the XDP map. XDP stats. I hear sound when scrolling. Did my laptop break? What? That's very weird. Okay. What if I close it? Huh. My laptop was making very weird sounds. Alright, so I saw the... the info. Oh. Here's the info. Okay, so what I noticed is that so you have the pin directory where you load the thing into, right, and so you get some info in here. Now let's see what that info really is. So the map has an ID. Really, we can just remember it. What we really want to do is map stats, then we'll do stats poll. So in reality, we just want to kind of... Oh, laptop is getting very hot. What's this? Oh, it's some networking stuff. I don't care about that. Stats poll, and then we'll do while something something. So we need to reload map. Yeah. Map expect size. Expect. Alright. Why would this thing ever... return? It's not gonna return. So what we really gotta do is... do it. Let's just do this. Look into the info thing. But then if it's not correct on stats Paul, then we'll just do it again, I guess. It's kind of ugly. Alright, let's do it the ugly way first. Twitch is not working in Eastern Europe. Required option. This would have been this. Ah. Yeah. Stats map file descriptor is this, and then we have info. Yeah, but then because you loop over here. What I wanted to do is have a return value, static end, return. Well, we'll do it the inefficient way first. -1. While we'll need to do, what's the type of the map ID? Where's info? Oh no! Map ID U32 again, dun, 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 dun. Map ID. Alright, and then we need this. Now your code is prettier. Return value, I just need the info. ID. Alright, we'll return -1 and then over here just do it again. So let's see. Oh. What was that sound? What the fuck? Hi! That was really scary. Someone followed me. That's insane. That's crazy. I got a follower. Woo! I need to turn out off those sounds. That was terrible. I guess the thing works. Oh, my fan is going crazy. But so while true, stats map everything. Yeah, what are you talking about? It's perfectly defined. Line 2 of 3. Ah. It's undefined. Ah, of course. Int. Oh, wait, I don't need it. I'm not gonna. So, let's do this. Pin directory. 203. Pin directory. Unknown. Oh. That's true. It's kind of a bummer, isn't it? Pin directory. It's a string. Oh, I don't want to pass a string. I don't want to do that. What am I gonna do then? Use the ID number to detect changes. Will it work? Pin directory. Let me just C char array argument. Oh no, cloak skew detected. Crazy. Passing argument 2 makes integer from pointer without a cast. 279. Because I didn't pass the... Oh, I didn't. Oh! Who did this? Now it's better. I'm getting hungry. Worked. Oh. So it looks like something works here. Oh, we're still sending ICMP packets. Wonderful, isn't it? Right, how am I gonna... So I want to see what the right solution was. So I'm gonna take a look at the solutions. Basic solutions. Are we live? Ooh, we are live. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. XDP stats. Let's look at their main function. Wow. Looks like there's way more code than... Ah. No, I got it. Okay. Oh, they have a loop in here too, and then they do this stuff, and they do this stuff, and they do this stuff, and then they stats Paul, just like we do. But they close the file descriptor because they're better people than us. Since we're gonna renew it. And yeah, now let's see what they do in stats Paul. Ooh, what are we doing in stats Paul? So first of all, there is a better. Of course, we don't want to pass the freaking right in there. Let's pass the pointer. Const char and point. All right. Let's see. Const C. Oh, I hate Geeks for Geeks is such a shitty site. It's just. Oh, you think you know what const means? C++. Read-only memory by the compiler. Right. That's all we needed to know. Const char pin directory. Should be the same. Can actually try it. And then the rest is the same. Why do we? Oh yeah. And then I do this while one if map files. They also check less than 0. Okay. Well, yeah, they're writing better code than me. Let's do int fd equals if fd less than 0. Return -1. We don't need no error handling with this function. We're just looping forever till we're stopped. Now we're unstoppable. There's no fail BPF. We just need an extra failure condition. Map fd. And then you gotta do it once. That's a fair way to do it. So if you want to, honestly, this is more of a do while loop. So let's do a do while. Oh, do while. More like this. And let's see. And it worked. And we already have our stuff loaded, so we just do it again. And very nice. Nice work. Now, the cool part about this is gonna be if I do the reload. So I'm actually gonna SSH again. So we got this number of packets. I want to finish faster because as soon as possible, because my laptop's fan is going off like crazy. And we're gonna do XDP loader again. Of course we're gonna need to sudo this thing. Of course we're gonna do force, and of course we're gonna do dev test. And then I'm gonna enter my super secret password, and something changed, and like, whoo! It had to reload. Did you see that? Saw this? It reloaded. Just like we wanted. Haha. That's pretty dope. Right, I love when things work. Love it. Love it. Let's close the solutions and get to the second part. This is my fourth today, actually. Let me do my abstract algebra homework. Oh boy. You gotta do your homework, man. But anyway. reuse pinned map. As mentioned above, libbpf can reuse and replace a map with an existing map. It just requires writing your own bpf prog load for or bpf prog load x attribute. Alright. The assignment is to check an XDP loader. There already is a pinned version of the map, XDP stats map, and use libbpf bpf map reviews API to reuse it. Easy, easy. Let's do it. What is LE5? Head 3 as A. I feel like that's something familiar. Oh, yeah, I wish I was doing machine learning today. Oh, explain like I'm 5. I'm an idiot. Okay, I had to explain. Oh, the person is asking me to explain what I'm doing. That's very nice. That's exciting. Okay, yeah, so what we're doing is, so like I'm 5. Okay, so you have your server, right? And your server is getting packets. If it's like imagine you have a router, and your router is getting packets and doing something with them. Now, the thing is, if you want to configure your router somehow, and you want to do some, I don't know, packet filtering and smart packet processing, and you want to have some firewall stuff and whatever, you might want to write your code to look at the packets and to maintain some state and whatever, and decide what to do to each packet based on some state. And the problem is that the normal tools don't really allow for it, and you can't also write a very simple program to do it, because if you did it in a naive way, it would mean that every time a Linux kernel gets a packet, it would have to hand it off to your program for the program to decide what to do with it, which is super inefficient. Not what I'm doing. So what we're doing instead is we're writing this very clever BPF code, which is essentially writing very limited C code that then gets compiled and loaded into the kernel, and then the kernel executes it as part of itself every time it receives a packet. So essentially, if I want to say, like, drop packets arriving from this IP address, I can tell the kernel to do that instead of writing my own program to do that. That would run in the user space. And telling the kernel to do that is way more efficient because we don't have all the context switches and whatnot. And what I'm doing is actually that I don't really have a very good mental model about how this works. So I'm just sort of going through the exercise that I found on GitHub, where you're just learning all the tooling associated with this technology one by one. That's yeah. When you said explain like I'm 5 LE5, it took me a while to figure out. Yeah, but I use Reddit, so I've seen it explain like a 5 before. It's a fun thing. Thinking about the best. Okay, never mind. Oh, people are talking to me on Twitch. That's insane. This is literally the first Twitch stream. Before today, I didn't even really know that people use Twitch. It was like a whole different world to me. But I guess that's really funny. Like, I opened Twitch and there are people actually watching stuff and streaming. They're streamers. Like, I thought streamers was an abstract concept. Well, I'm from Russia. This is actually fun. I'm making friends on Twitch. Alright, okay, I gotta finish this. As mentioned above, libbpf can reuse and replace them. Oh, okay. This is what we're doing with loader. Oh, my brain is frying. Oh, what I like about the loader program is it's way shorter. Like, it's kind of harder. Wait, what am I? Okay. It's kind of hard to navigate in XDP stats because it's like, 300 red lines. We don't like that, so it's a little simpler. Let's look at my Twitch friend. Where are you from? Okay. interesting question. If there already is a pin version. So we only have two functions here. Pin maps and BPF object. So we want to do it essentially before we do the load stuff. Where do we load? Load BPF and then XDP attach. Oh, that's the wrapper. So they're suggesting I shouldn't be changing it. That's kind of weird. The mention above the BPF can. Ah. This one is actually a little harder. Huh. Okay. Oh. The fact that they put this into like the common area makes it kind of like, do we expect them to do something with it or not? Very interesting. BPF line. Load BPF. Oh. Okay. The real choose a pin version of the map. Use loop BPF. Well, yeah, okay, naturally it would be, alright, this is the end pin. Okay. And this will pin maps in our BPF object. Yep, that's correct. I'm not fully getting it. Map file. Yep. Alright. Someone texted me. Oh my god. So instead of having problems with a map not being cleaned up, what I really want to do is check that the map that has not been cleaned up is actually the map I'm interested in. Correct? And then what I would do is actually reuse the file descriptor from there. This whole pin on map. Where does the yeah, but it loads and does the attach here. So the map is really created here. I don't. So what? Hmm. Ah. The kind of the code layout is not conducive to rewriting it nicely. Who made this? Map file name. Oh. Like, I don't understand if we should check the existence, the pinned map file descriptor, like this. Should we get it? Okay, let's see. Never call this. Let's read it. Can reuse and replace a map with, but you cannot use BPF prog load. Yeah. But what they mean by that is actually like this, because it has prog load somewhere in here, doesn't it? Load BPF and XDP attach. Let's remind ourselves. Program. What? File descriptor. Attach. I do need a standard. Aha. Yes, I see now. And that's load BPF. Aha. Okay. So we can't use this anymore. All right. That was some meta mind games. Let's look at our stuff. Ooh, see ya. Yeah, this stuff is kind of annoying. I hate it too. Alright, bye. Bye. Nice person. No. Am I a student? I'm a math student. I gotta do my abstract algebra homework. Yeah, this stuff is kind of annoyingly complicated, but you know, doing something with like neural networks would have been a little more visual and fun, but when people tell me this stuff is too complicated, I get upset. Alright, so we can't use this anymore. What are we gonna do? Right. We're gonna do less. We're gonna do less. Path name, PPF object get. Now, where do we get the pin directory? The problem is that it's here. I don't want it to be there. I want it to be so if we use a loader and we already have a map, then we'll reuse it. No. I'm lost. Right. just copy pasting code over, yeah, because we really want pin directory, right, path name, whatever, config. Do we have a file name? Where is it open here? Ugh. Oh, we do have config file name. Very nice. Very nice. Approve. Find map by file name. Pin map file descriptor. Yes, XDP stats map in the object. Reuse. So this should be it. Really way simpler than that. Anticipated, but work. Line 141. What? Redeclaration. Well, what can you do? Make subdirectory undeclared 143. Where is that? Ah, already have it. Subdirectory. Second argument. So really it's less config. PPF object may be initialized in this function 163. Gotta be. Oh, might indeed be uninitialized. Because they want me to use old names. With no linkage? Are you kidding me? Bro. BPF object. Well, if I don't use it anywhere prior, I'm just gonna delete this. Alright, let's run the loader. Oh! Test. Worse. Success! Have you seen that? Ha! Success! Oh look, it looks like it doesn't work. And the way I know it doesn't work is because these are all zeros and we know we're sending packets right here and the counter should not be a zero. Very sad. Why is Siri live? Hi! Hi Artem, how are you doing? My friend. My Mac is low on battery? Bro, I've been 10%. Hello. Right, we gotta finish this. Gotta finish it. Let's look, let's get a hint. I have 10%. It's gonna die in a few seconds. Virtual machines. Solutions. Where are the solutions? Loader. Let's look at the loader. What are they doing here? They kept fuck. We did it incorrectly. So they did something here. On pin maps. What? Did they change anything? The fuck? Are these solutions? Bro, no. You didn't change the... You didn't reuse anything. We're not reusing the stuff. It's a lie. Oh! Alright. Might need to finish it tomorrow. This virtual machine stuff is just killing my laptop too quickly. Literally killing it. 8%. Add a solution for assignment 2. I need a solution for assignment 4, dude. That doesn't count. What are you talking about? Right, so it doesn't work. Okay, I mean, it loads, but something's wrong with the map. We're reading from a wrong map, apparently. Must have been something wrong. Alright, I'll think about it. Finish it up tomorrow. Famous last words. Yeah, my laptop is gonna die. I feel like that's a solid excuse for... Ha 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 ha. So funny. No. I'm gonna block that guy. The guy who's a... Oh. Who wants to be famous? No one wants to be... Alright, bye.